Marriage is one of the most important decisions in a person's life. But have you ever wondered what truly makes a marriage successful? Is it just about love, or is there something deeper that holds two people together? In this video, we're diving into the concept of compatibility in Islamic marriage. You'll discover why it's more than just a buzzword, and how it can be the foundation of a strong, happy relationship. Stay with me because I'll also share timeless lessons from the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and practical tips for modern challenges. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the big question. What exactly does compatibility mean in Islam? In simple terms, it's about how well two people align in key aspects of life. But it's not just about shared hobbies or similar tastes. It's about deeper connections. In Islamic marriage, compatibility goes beyond just physical attraction. It's about shared values, mutual respect, and emotional support. When two people are compatible, they can overcome challenges together, nurture each other's faith, and build a life based on trust and love. But here's the key. Compatibility isn't something that just happens overnight. It's built on shared faith, character, and understanding. And when these elements are in place, they form the strong foundation that leads to a happy, lasting marriage. Stay with me, because next, I'm going to share how the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, shows us real examples of compatibility in marriage. You won't want to miss this part. It's inspiring and full of lessons we can apply today. Now, let's break down the core areas of compatibility that every successful marriage needs. These are the building blocks that can make or break a relationship. First, faith and religion. In Islam, shared faith is the foundation of a strong marriage. When both partners prioritize their faith and worship together, it strengthens their bond and helps them grow together in their relationship with Allah. Second, character and behavior. Good character, or akhlaq, is essential in Islam. Being kind, patient, and respectful are qualities that make any relationship thrive. When both partners exhibit these traits, they create a peaceful and loving environment at home. Finally, mutual understanding. Communication and respect for each other's feelings are crucial. Listening to your partner, understanding their needs, and supporting their growth makes a world of difference in any marriage. In just a moment, we'll look at real examples from the Prophet Muhammad's life to see how these elements played out in his marriages. Stay tuned, it's going to be insightful. Let's look at some beautiful examples from the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to understand how compatibility was truly practiced in his marriages. One of the best examples is his marriage to Khadija. May Allah be pleased with her. Despite the differences in their ages and social status, their marriage was built on mutual respect, trust, and shared values. Khadija supported the Prophet through thick and thin, and their bond was based on a deep spiritual and emotional connection. Their compatibility was not just in the things they liked, but in their shared commitment to Islam and each other. Then there's his marriage to Aisha. May Allah be pleased with her. While they were very different in age, their compatibility showed in their intellectual connection and the way they supported each other's growth. Aisha was a scholar of hadith, and the Prophet valued her knowledge and insight deeply. These examples from the Sirah show us that compatibility in marriage is about more than just surface-level factors. It's about deep understanding, mutual respect, and growing together in faith. In the next section, I'll talk about the modern challenges to compatibility in today's world. Trust me, this part is going to help you understand how to keep your marriage strong despite these challenges. Now, let's talk about the modern challenges that can affect compatibility in marriage. We live in a world where things change fast. Social media, cultural pressures, and unrealistic expectations can all play a role in creating distance between partners. Take social media, for example. While it connects people, it can also lead to comparison and unrealistic portrayals of relationships. People often see perfect images of others' marriages and think they should have the same. This can cause dissatisfaction and tension in your own relationship. Then there are cultural differences. Sometimes families and societies may have their own ideas of what a marriage should look like. These expectations can put pressure on couples, especially if they're trying to balance tradition with personal values. But here's the thing, Islam teaches us to approach challenges with wisdom. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, showed us that patience, clear communication, and trusting in Allah can help us navigate these modern difficulties. Up next, I'll share some practical ways you can assess compatibility before marriage. You'll want to hear these tips. They can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Now that we've talked about the challenges, let's focus on something crucial: how to assess compatibility before marriage. It's so important to know if you and your potential partner are truly aligned in key areas. Start by having open, honest conversations about your values, goals, and expectations. Ask questions like, what are your views on family, faith, and finances? What are your long-term goals? This helps you understand if you share the same vision for the future. Another tip, don't rush the decision. Take your time to observe how you both handle difficult situations. Compatibility isn't just about agreeing on everything, but about how you communicate, compromise, and grow together through challenges. Involving your families is also important. Their perspectives can provide valuable insight into how well-suited you are for each other. And don't forget to make dua to Allah. Seeking guidance through istikhara can make all the difference in making a wise decision. Next, I'll be talking about the many beautiful benefits of compatibility in marriage. Trust me, you're going to love hearing about how it brings peace and harmony to your life. Where two people are truly compatible, the benefits are endless. Islam tells us that compatibility leads to sakina, a deep inner peace that fills the home. It creates an environment where love and mercy flow naturally, as Allah mentions in the Quran. When you're compatible, even the toughest challenges become easier to face. You support each other, grow together in faith, and find joy in each other's company. This harmony helps to build a strong family foundation, where love, understanding, and respect are the cornerstones. In the next part, I'll wrap things up by summarizing why compatibility is key to a long-lasting, successful marriage, and leave you with a final, inspiring thought. To wrap it up, compatibility in marriage is a gift from Allah. It's the key to a peaceful, loving, and lasting relationship. When both partners align in faith, character, and understanding, marriage becomes a source of joy and strength. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. May Allah bless your marriage with love and harmony.